from Caleb and Carrie West. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 5-room flat for sale right behind Mito School. This 5-room flat is on the top floor with a high ceiling and is fully renovated. So come on in right now to check out with us. Come on into this top floor unit 5-room flat. So what I love about this entire 5-room flat is have got a higher ceiling than a normal HDB flat as well, and the owner have done a built-in shoe cabinet come storage as well. Over here we get a very nice cozy living room. Generally you can see that the entire space is huge. You got a study on the right side, you got living on the left side. So pretty much the entire space is very well thought of. If you want to work from home, you can do so while watching your kids having fun. So overall, the living room has really been done up together with the feature wall and the TV console as well. They have done up additional storages over here as well. So pretty much you have a lot of storage space in this house, and what's more is that over here we are facing the south and the door is facing the north, meaning to say that you got a lot of wind coming in throughout the entire day as well. So over here will be the dining area, directly faces the TV, and this time where you can enjoy a TV and also have a simple meal together with your family as well. So this is one of the common room. I like the space over here because there is no built-in. The owner has converted this into a simple gym, but you can change this into your own cozy room that you want to. And the owner has done out a pelmet over here such that it covers the entire curtain track as well. So pretty much the aircon and the fan has really been done up, so you can simply move in here. What I love about this master room is the size of it, okay? You got a wardrobe over here and you got a dressing table over here. This dressing table has been customized such that it fits to the theme of the house and the room as well. So right in front of me will be the king size bed. So overall you don't feel very claustrophobic and cramped in this entire room because it's really spacious. One more thing is that you got 2 windows that's coming in throughout the day. It makes the entire room feel so comfortable and cozy as well. So right now we are in the kitchen already. The kitchen is really well equipped. So you have the Bosch oven over here and you have the kitchen cabinets both on the left and on the right. So this is slightly on a higher ceiling level such that you have more storage space inside the cabinet as well. Besides, every drawer here is all equipped with a soft closing such that even if you close it, it will still remain softly closed as well. So one more thing is that this entire tabletop is quartz tabletop such that it's of a much more better material as well. So overall, this is what I love about kitchen. Let's check out the yard. So right now we are at the yard area over here. This is where you wash your clothes, dry your clothes and hang your clothes as well. So this is facing the east such that morning sun comes in from here and you get your clothes dry by noon time. Isn't that wonderful? So if you have the intention to have a look at this house, view this house and even buy this house, simply call the number below and we're glad to show you this house instantly. So right now call us or WhatsApp us or click the button below. See you, goodbye.